If you're looking for some storage for next to your bed, builders have a wide range of flat packs available. They're quality, affordable, and best of all, they're flat pack, so they're really easy to get home. They've been designed to be strong, functional, and really easy to assemble. This is the HK Pico pedestal. To assemble this unit, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and the supplied hex wrench. First things first, we need to follow the diagram and install all the hardware. So cam screws go into the plastic inserts, cam locks in the 15mm holes, and wooden dowels go in the 8mm holes. Then we can secure the feet to the base. And the draw runners are already in place, so the hardest part has been done for us. Now when assembling these units, it's often a lot easier to do it with it laying on its back. That way you can hold all the pieces together while you fasten the screws. Start by securing the side panel to the base with the director screws. Then we can attach the top and bottom rails to the side panel. Now remember, the arrows on the cam locks need to be pointing in the direction of the cam screw hole. Then turn it clockwise with your screwdriver to lock the cam screw in place. The next piece to go in is the backing board, and that simply slides in from the side. So just make sure that you have the slots on the rails both facing in. Then secure the other side panel before attaching the top. Make sure that the dowels and cam screws line up nicely, and then lock the cam locks. Now we can move on to the drawers. Secure two of the drawer box sides to the drawer box back using the director screws. Then slide in the drawer base and close off the drawer box with the front piece, securing it with the cam screws. Just make sure your dowels, cam screws and masonite all locate correctly. Same step for the other drawer, and then we can slide that into place. Then to finish off, use the vinyl stickers to hide the screws, peel back the protective plastic and attach the supplied handles. And that's it, quick and easy. Now remember, this is just one of the flat pack pedestals available at Builders, in store, or you could shop online at builders.co.za. For more videos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.